Hello guys, today I will tell you about a great Google application. You can take 360-degree photos with your own mobile phone. How to download, how to run application, what are the functions. I have already given all the information in this video. If you're watching first time this video, please subscribe my channel. Stay with me. My name is Gaurav and you're watching Honest Mark. First we have to download this application. To download we have to open Play Store. Then you have to type Google Street View. After this you have to download this and it is already installed in my mobile. So here you can see the two buttons, uninstall and open. So let's get started to open. This is the Google Street View location. Now here you can search top of the screen any street, any location, so it will jump to that map. Next is if you have a different account you can use and you can switch. Now if you need to convert this map into a satellite map, so tab on it and you can see the satellite map is also there. You can convert into a satellite look. So next is you need to convert this area into north south in the position, so you tab on it, the compass, so north east west you can move. Next is you have searched some other area and you need to go back to your original place, so tab on it, the dot one, so it will jump to your original place. Next is, as you can see, some related images which I have lived, and this is the area some people has captured these pictures. You can view it. Next is on, you can see on the bottom the three options are there: explore, create and profile. Let's see how to search this. If I search here London, so now London, it will jump to me at the particular place of London. And if I search something, and you can see here some pictures related of my searched London view. And if I search something a new advanced, so you can search here this area, particular that area, so some pictures are also available. You can view it as a 360 degree. Now let's talk about profile. In the profile view, I have an account Gaurav Narayan and number of views, how many people have seen my pictures, how many pictures I have captured. These all informations available in my profile. 10 images, and as you can see on the top, unpublished, processing, published and error. All mean whatever the pictures you have captured, so it will show in your single column. Next is unpublished. Unpublished mean that if a picture has been captured by you but it is not published, it is in your gallery, so it will be come under the unpublished. Second is processing. It means that you have captured and it is processing going on, and this will come under the processing. Next is published. Published mean that if you are captured, processing is done and it is finally published, so those images it will come under the published. So as you can see, it is under the published, so all the images it has been successfully published. Error mean those images has been captured by you but there are some errors, it's a misprint, frame, image is not captured correctly, so that it comes under the error. So there is no image in the error option. If you want to see the map directly, so tab on it, you can see any street you want to see, so you can drag and draw your screen, and up and down you can directly move your particular place where you want to go. So now you can see there is no images related in that my street. So if I go to the explorer, so explore and search the image, so related, there is no images. Now here it is a images on the top, so you can see how does it look if I live there, and all around what is the location, and you can feel it. Next is the most important, how to capture 360 degree images with your phone. So let's get started. Tab create. So in the create you can see the help people to find location, businesses by sharing photos of shops, restaurants and other places that we have recently changed. As you can see, video, photosphere, import 360 photos, connect 360 camera. So go for the last one, connect 360 degree camera. This means that it has a separate camera which will connect to your mobile and it will capture 360 images and it will saved in your mobile. So that instrument I don't have. Next we go to the import 360 photos. It means that a picture which has been captured by you, it is saved in your mobile somewhere, so you can import from your gallery. Let's see how to do. So tab on it and you can see it's under my particular folder, and I can select it and it will go in my published area. So still it is left, it is not published because it I have just import in my street view, so it will come under the unpublished. So this place is I have already saved, so I don't want that. So tab on it, hold the finger and you can see on the top delete option. So delete, you can directly, arrow mean you can publish it, just delete on this and okay. I don't want that because I've already done this earlier. Let's go to the next option. So next option is our photosphere, which is a very important. Let's tab on it and you will see the camera is turned on and the orange dot is coming in front of the camera. We have to follow the dot and capture the image from all around. I have captured all around images. After this we go to the profile option. Now as you can see, it's downloading all the pictures you had recently captured. After completing, it will ready to publish. Now it is asking your privacy policy and now it is merging all the Panorama pictures. Now after it is asking you to delete a file or video you will need to keep in your mobile or not. So let's continue it. Now it's processing to build a Panorama image. Finally the image has been built in 360-degree angle of a view. As you can see, all around images has processed very well, captured in a good manner, and you can see all around 360 into 180 degree. Next we have a option video. Tap on it. We got a chance to record a video around us. You can carry your camera while driving, while walking, all around the street. There is a tip by Google, the safety first while you're recording. As you can see, the blue line is given in the map. This is my area which has been recorded. We come back to our profile. We have 2 videos recorded and ready to public. Now we have tab any video and you can see the video will play and simultaneously the map on the top and kilometer how much you can cover. These all you can upload on your Google Street. With the help of this app you can capture all around the world. Friends, that's all in the video. How did you like the information and the video? Please share this information with your friends and family.